This is Priscilla Batzel in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio, and that is stage one. That's been done for a long time, since October 28th, in fact. But yesterday I did a birch forest. Yesterday was like the 15th of February 2023, and I have leftover paint. I'm not sure you can see or not. Maybe I should check on that. It's been under this cover, and I've checked it a couple times to see if it's viable, and it seems like it is. And if it isn't, I've got a pile of leftovers. So I've got half of a lid to something that I cut off, and I'm really hoping that it's straight enough for me to use. But I want to go in here and make an attempt. And I'm going to scoop it up. I'm going to put it down. And I've got other cards too, and I might want to use them. It helps if you have a really good straight edge, which I don't necessarily have right at this point. But I do want to use my paint, and I do want to see how viable it is. Just putting my card down. I have a little bit of glop. Give it a little press. Move that up. Hoping my head isn't in the way. Deciding that I've got this other card that I could probably use for some branches if I'm cautious and adept, and wipe off my paint first so I don't get it all over my hands. I also grabbed a couple of pieces of tongue depressor to see how that would work. For that, I think I'm going to steal a little bit of paint, because I think I can just drag some of those right up. There, I got a glop on there. I suppose one of these times I could put some leaves on things. I'm surprised at how viable the paint is, I really am. I don't know how many trees I want. I don't know how many trees I need, but I guess we'll find out. Now I just put that other card right here. Perfect. Just gonna kind of try and gauge. I seem to be able to use either side of it. I don't know about double dosing it, but I know if I do that, I'll change the patterns at least. The canvas is well and truly dry, so the truth is that I can definitely wipe paint off if I want to. I'm going to use a smaller card. I've got a couple other cards that I like. Have little handles on the top because I left something on the edge. I just saw, I wanted to put a tree in right there in the distance, and I might want to put a few more in actually. Yeah, I like that. a lot. I wanted to put my branches in first, but I thought better of it, because once they're in, they're in. I can always put them in after, and I may wind up doing that. But I'm liking how this looks. I'm thinking I want to put a much bigger tree. Or try. And put a much bigger tree. Really surprised by the validity of the paint. Very, very viable. And I will put black branches in up at the top. I could probably go back again if I wanted to and put some more marks in. A damp Q-tip is a really good thing to have handy. Right now I want to just finish this in reality. If I have missing pieces, I want to fill in. Not being nearly careful enough, I don't think. I think you should take your time, and I'm not. But I still like the effect I'm getting. And so if you like it, why not? And like I said, I could always add leaves. Part of me wants to just say, well, that's it, that's all, folks, and go on. But I'm going to try and add some black. I have some black in my pan. And I think you can see how that'll work. I think a little card would work almost equally as well. But it's a time-consuming thing to add so many little marks. And I don't really want to take the time it'll take, but I like what I've got. I think I'm going to snag a few colors from my gold and add some patterns to that tree. Change up a few things. Add a few smaller trees right in the distance. Or the impression of them anyway. So rather than make you wait, I'm going to call that good. Because I need to sit down. And we've got a little bit of time left. There's no point in shimmering anything at you. This is probably going to look a tiny little bit different. Definitely want to fix that one spot. And I could put one right up in front of the sun, but I kind of like it peeking between the trees. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm going to say goodbye for now. That's all I've got in me right at the moment. And please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. Please share it. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. The thumbnail will have the branches in it. I'm assuming I'll take another picture of it when it's completely finished. But you know how this goes. And a skinny little tiny card and lots of moves and probably another 20 minutes worth of branches and it'll be done. My Amazon link is underneath Show More on the link tree, where you can find the 20% off, near where you can find the 20% off Colourarte coupon code and the 10% off Pixel Paint Designs code. You can get Australian Floetrol, Boom Gel, and Pebeo iridescent, well, Pebeo paint in general at Pixel Paint Designs. And the Colourarte, I'm a Colourarte affiliate as well as Pixel Paint Designs affiliate. So you help me out if you shop either place. And same for my Amazon. No added cost to you, but it helps me out, and I've got 4 lists of goodies there. What did I not tell you? Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group is available to you. Pixels.com, Firenet America, Society 6, The Gallerist, and Spring Clothing under the video can all have my artwork transmuted onto the things that they sell, and so you can have something very custom that very few people will also have. Thank you again for sharing my videos. Thank you for the contributions through PayPal. The icon is on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and know that if you are a contributor, you're helping me continue to make tutorials by helping me afford GAC 800 and Floetrol and Australian Floetrol and canvases, things that are barely covered by this endeavor. So I want to say thank you most of all to the people who have joined the membership. There's fewer than 10 of them right now in February, but you guys do help me continue on, and I really appreciate you, and I hope that you're enjoying the 110 plus videos in the members only library. If I have forgotten something, it is that my paint pouring recipe is underneath Show More. I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until I change it to 3 or 4 days a week. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. And I love you guys. I'm going to say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio saying I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I hope you come again soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.